Hey guys, Toy Scout here. Today we're gonna open the letter Y surprise eggs. But first, check these out. Yak. Y is for yak. Yak is big and strong plant-eating mammal. Yak. Yogurt. Y is for yogurt. This is strawberry flavored yogurt made by Yoplait. Yogurt. There's one uppercase Y and one lowercase y. We're going to start with the lowercase y here. The red egg. We have a blue egg inside. Let's see what's in this egg. Whoa, who's this, guys? Yoda. Y is for Yoda. Yoda is from Star Wars. He is a Jedi Master, and he is known for his wisdom. Yoda. And the uppercase Y egg here. What do you guys think will be in this one? I see black cape. Yokai. Y is for Yokai. Yokai is the main villain from Big Hero 6. His masks allow him to control many microbots to harm others. Yokai. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out the letter Z next. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. I'm Toy Scouter, and I'm out.